everybody, welcome back to another quick 1-minute tutorial. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to save a search on eBay. So if you're tired of searching for a certain item every day, hoping to find it, I'll show you how to save your search so you can either be push notified on your phone or emailed. First, I'm going to show you how to do it on a desktop computer, and then I'm going to show you how to do it on a cell phone. So let's jump right into it. All right, everyone, we're currently on my desktop computer with my browser launched, and I'm at Google. So of course, we're going to head over here directly to eBay. Make sure you're logged into the account that you wish to save the search. And let's say I'm looking for an Oculus Quest 2 headset. So instead of having to come here every day and search, I can just simply type in my search query, and then here you'll see a save this search button. Select that. And as you can see, we'll send you an email when there's something new. So now you'll get an email every time something is posted on eBay with that search query. You can also turn it off when you are no longer interested by selecting this button here. And that's all there is to it. So now I'm going to show you how to do it on the eBay app. The process is fairly similar, but the save button is located in a different spot. So let me show you how to do that. All right, now we're on my mobile device. Of course, you're going to want to have the eBay app installed. Make sure you have the most up-to-date app. Launch the eBay app and let's search for maybe a collar pet camera that you can put on your pet's collar that I know are really popular right now. So once that pulls up, here's our search results, but at the top you can select this save this search. And as you can see, you can have a choice to get either emails or push notifications or both, and then all you have to select is confirm. Again, you can unsave at any time, and that's all there is to it. This helps save a lot of time, so you don't have to search for the item you're looking for all the time. You can just get notified via push notifications and or email. So hope you found this video informative, and we'll see you in the next video.